Hello, my name's Megan, and this is my sister,
Madeline.
And we're from Indiana.
I found Red River after some research and some phone calls with the health director to further my holistic health journey.
I am not what you would call a health person in general. Lots of junk food, lots of soda. But so it was a little bit of a culture shock for me personally. But
I would probably say a little bit, but I've been on my holistic health journey for like 9 months or so it wasn't as bad of a shock, but still a little bit of a shock.
Yeah, and I've been kind of along for that ride for not doing everything she's doing, but trying to make better decisions.
Realize that I need to refocus on Christ and make him my priority every day instead of when I remember, and prioritize my food more than I currently do as well.
Yeah, I think there are a lot of intentional, applicable daily habits that would benefit just about anybody, whether you're on a holistic health journey or not. Like, sunshine, getting sunshine, going for walks, getting active, like that in general, and daily faith.
I would not recommend to a closed-minded individual, but I would recommend to anyone who's willingly pursuing a better version of themselves. But I'm pretty certain that the people here could handle just about anybody with their grace.
Oh yeah, it does help that you're getting taken care of by angels, so they're all very kind.